bakit naon siya min kay Jessie? Kasi it's a question of but hindi natuloy or naudlot yung
You know, how do you explain it? I mean, you always hope that things will work out, but when it doesn't, it doesn't, and that's just what happens. We're just better off as friends.
Ikaw ba yung parang nanlamig or tumabang yung feeling?
It was more. I would say it's more mutual.
And where are you looking now? I mean, you are looking or parang you just wait, parang ganun, iba yan di ba?
Bilang akong lalaki, ako ang naghahanap. I'm looking.
Sama nung reaction mo, sabi niya, nagsiselos daw si Erwan dati sa'yo.
Dati. Kahit ako, I would. I mean, any guy that has a girlfriend, if nandyan yung ex, parang, diba, kahit pa paano, you be jealous because, you love the girl, diba, kahit pa paano, you always look at it as a threat, but I'm sure na ngayon,
naging careful ka rin ba sa mga sinakayaan? Dahil considering na alam mo may boyfriend siya and you had your past?
in terms of moves, magkasama lang kami sa project, so it's not like I have to be careful. And, we haven't really kept in touch at all over the 4 years na wala kaming project together, and so it's not like I have to be careful. They've already established such a strong relationship all this time, so it's just I just been enjoying the friendship that we reestablished, and that's it.
May awkward feeling ba, Sam, na you're together again?
Bigyan mo. It's been 4 years now. It's been over 4 years.
Sa lahat, parang na-move on ka na talaga.
We both, obviously, after 4 years, we both have had our own lives. Wala kaming communication hardly at all over the 4 years. So, I was thinking baka maging awkward sa sobrang tagal na hindi kami magkasama. And siguro there was a few times maybe for me na medyo awkward. May konting ilangan, but it was just, I'm happy that we had these projects together because we re-establishing friendship na.